So hello everyone. In the previous video, we looked at how we can group the routes. In this video, let's look at how we can intercept a route and render the different page by intercepting in between. Okay. So for to intercept, let's understand what is intercept first. Okay. So let me add two folders, first page and second page folder. Okay, in the first page I'm adding page.tsx and also the second page page.tsx. Okay, now let me just add the basic content, just the second page and first page. Okay, let's just print first page here, just print second page here. Okay, now to navigate to these, okay, let's add couple of link buttons here. So the first page link, and the same one for second page. Okay, let's check first whether this routing is working. Okay, on the main page we have two links, first page, okay, and the second page. Okay, the routing is working, but let's look at the intercept. Okay, so to intercept, okay, let me just push this to first page. Okay, now under the first page there is a second page, so the routing for second page will be this first page works but the second page won't work. Okay, second page won't work because there is second page went inside the first page. Okay, now so let's change this button here. Let me add this also. Now it should navigate because second page is inside the first page. Okay, first page is working, second page also working right now. Okay, now let's write the intercepting feature, and when we click second page, instead of going to second page, we will try to navigate to different page. Okay, by intercepting. To intercept the second page, what we need to do is here on the first page, let me just copy this same folder name for the second page, and on top of first page I'll add a dot here and the same second page folder structure, and within this I'll create a page.tsx. okay, here I'll add, this is intercepted second page. Okay, so basically when we click the second page, in the previous, before adding this folder, it was routing to the second page, which is of this. Okay, just printing second page. But now since we added intercept feature, that means the same folder and the dot here within this brackets. Okay, now let's see how this is going to work. Okay, check the first page routing is working. The second page, when I hit the second page, if you see first page, then second page, instead of this, now it is intercepted second page. Instead of displaying this content, it is displaying the intercepted content. Why? Because of this particular intercept. Okay, this is how you can intercept a page in Next.js. Okay, but now when I refresh it, okay, now after I refresh, now if you see, it went to second page. Okay, it will intercept only for the first time. Okay, again let's go back. When I click it, see, now it is intercepted. But when I, okay, if you are navigating from that button, it is intercepted, button click. But after that, the second time when we refresh the page, it is directly went to the second page. Okay, this intercept, it will intercept and display something or perform some action, and then it will navigate to the actual page, which is second page. Okay, that's how the intercept works. Okay, so basically intercept page can be used for, suppose if this particular second page has some API call to fetch some data and display on the page. Okay, if you already know that it is a little bit delayed for a few seconds because of the API call. Okay, for that type of scenario, you can simply throw this intercepted page, okay, saying second page is loading. Okay, once the content of the main page is, second page is ready, that's when you can navigate to the second page and you can get rid of a intercepted page. So that's how you can use the intercepted page in between. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.